Hello and welcome to part 2 of Telnet session. We left off at enable password Cisco on our router. So what I want you to do now is you're going to configure the interface, which is G00. So interface G0/0. We're going to put the IP address in that we had previously on the screen, which is IP address 192.168.1.1, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and the no shutdown command. As you can see, the interface is now up and the protocol is now set. From here, we are finished with this part. We are now going to disconnect our console cable. So hit X on that and get rid of it. Don't worry, if it's green and orange, it will turn green as you are working through the process. All right, make sure you have your IP address. We came up with our IP addresses, being that the IP address on PC 0 will be the third address. The second address is 192.168.1.2, and the first address is 192.168.1.1. So what I want you to do is make sure you put these addresses into the PC. Thanks. Next, I want you to go to the command prompt. The command prompt will give us a few options. So I'm just going to get to the C prompt, clear some space, and now we're going to use the telnet command, TEL-NET, 192.168.1.2. We're going to go to the switch first. So we're going to make a connection from this PC to this switch, because if you are no longer located by the machine itself, you need to telnet to it. So here we go. It gives us an option of user access verification. You're going to put the password we have set, which is Cisco. We're going to enable the switch. And now we're going to put the password Cisco back in again. Right now, you see the switch has changed from switch greater than sign to switch pound sign. All right. From here, we're going to use the show run command or show running config. You'll see that there is an enable password and the configuration running. Hit the space bar a few times so you get to the bottom, and you'll see interface VLAN 1. And it'll tell you the IP address and the subnet mask. Your passwords are not encrypted, so you can see them as plain text. And then you'll see you're at the end. From here, you're going to Telnet. You're going to make another connection from this switch here over to this router by typing in Telnet 192.168.1.1, hitting enter, and you'll see it'll bring up the password again. This router's password, as you know, is Cisco. You are now in the router. You will use your show run command. Hit the space bar a few times so you can get to where it says interface gigabit G00. The IP address is 192.168.1.1, which is what we placed here on the router. Now, if there's another interface that you are connected to, it'll also be in this show run area. So if you see an IP address where it says none, that is the next place you can connect to. So make sure you do that when you get the option to connect to the next router or next switch in a chain of equipment. All right. And you can see your password still in plain text and your virtual connections also in plain text. So that is where we're going to leave this activity. Thank you for your time. And we are finished.